Hey guys, it's Lade here. Welcome back to my channel. So we're starting off with my natural lashes. As you can see, my lashes are naturally curled already. So let's get right into the video. So the secret ingredient is this blue seal Vaseline. You definitely have it at home already, and this is all you're going to use aside the mascara. So you're just going to take a pea size of the Vaseline and apply this on your lashes. You don't need a lot, you just need a very little quantity, and you just want to spread it generously on your lashes, the upper lash and the lower lash, of course. So I'm going to be using this on one eye, and then the other eye I'm just going to leave naturally and just go straight in with my mascara so that you can see the difference. I'm using this mascara from Natural Collection Makeup, and this is their volumizing mascara, as you can see. So we're going to be applying this on my left lash so that you can see how it will look just applying the mascara directly onto your lashes. So I usually like to go from underneath my lash and then wiggle it all the way up. That way it gives it more volume and you're able to get every bit of your lash. And I'm also going to be applying this on my lower lash as well. You're starting from the root and then going down, and you also want to wiggle a little bit from side to side so that it gives it a bit more volume. So now you can see how my lash looks applying mascara directly. Now we're going to be applying the mascara on my other eyelash. So you're just going to be going over the eyelash the same way you did for the other eye, which is from the roots of the lash, wiggling it all the way up, and you are going to see the difference. You can already see how the eyelash looks nicer and looks like it has more volume with just the Vaseline. Now topping it off with the mascara is just going to make it look even better. You guys, this is my secret ingredient, and I've been doing this for so long. It just looks so good. I do not know about you, but this looks so good, and you can already just see the difference between my right eyelash from the left. You see how the right looks like it has more volume. It looks like I put some natural set of falsies on my eyelash. The difference is clear. Okay, so I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe, guys. I'm gonna be seeing you in my next video. Bye.